Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and play OneBlock Skyblock for Minecraft 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then just need to write OneBlock and click the link with the curseforge.com. Then on this window here, go to Files, go to a Game Versions and select 26.1 and then download this file here and wait until, press download and wait until download process is starting. So you can see here, now it's downloading. Once you have the file, right click on it, extract all, and then save it to desktop or whatever you like, right? And wait until extracting process is done. Then click on that particular folder that you extracted, and then you should see this folder. So what I like to do here is to rename it OneBlock and then 26.1. And then what you need to do here is to open up Minecraft Launcher. Then you need to go to installations on Java Edition and then click on the folder. It really doesn't matter if it's Fabric or vanilla, it's the same, right? Then what you need to do here, you can minimize this. Then you need to go to saves and then drag and drop this particular folder. Once it's done, you can close all these windows, open up Minecraft Launcher, and then you can launch Minecraft. And it really doesn't matter if you play modded or vanilla version, it will work. So let's wait until the game load up. Once we are in the game, we can press single player. As you can see here, OneBlock here. We can start the game. And yeah, as you can see here, it's perfectly working. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.